Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from ACBuy. First, log into your ACBuy account using your registered email and password. Then, go to the Wallet or Funds section inside your profile dashboard. Next, check your available balance to confirm it's eligible for withdrawal. Ensure your account is verified with ID and linked payment method. Then, click on Withdraw or Cash Out in the Funds section. Select your preferred withdrawal method like bank, e-wallet, or card. Then, enter the withdrawal amount, making sure it meets minimum limits. Provide correct payment details to avoid transfer issues. Then, review all withdrawal details carefully before confirming. Now, submit the request and note down the reference or transaction ID. Wait for processing time, which may vary by method chosen. Finally, check your bank or e-wallet to confirm funds have been credited. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.